Breeze selected Windows Azure for Centrebet because Centrebet was a perfect fit. They needed scalability, and they didn't have that. That was one of their most critical problems of the day. They needed flexibility, and they didn't have that. It took them months to provision new hardware and servers, and they had to go back several times, impacting into project deadlines and production go live dates. It was a typical internal company that was just having all sorts of trouble. And Windows Azure was standing out there like a lighthouse on a mountain. After looking at the issues that Centrebet were having with their network, so the high capacity, the flooding of their network infrastructure, just being at saturation point come Melbourne Cup Day the previous year, which is their busiest day in betting and trading. So they needed a solution that allowed them to expand and grow, and their current infrastructure and hardware was already above and beyond capacity. We provisioned something up within hours and had a demo, had a proof of concept by the end of the day, showing them exactly what they could do. After that, it was a no-brainer. What Breeze did was to take that traffic and push it to the cloud, push it to Azure, thereby leaving their core infrastructure systems able to take bets, which is their lifeblood, and utilising Azure to essentially serve out this read-only data in a timely fashion. Centrebet benefits greatly from utilising Azure because it gives them the scale, it gives them the flexibility, as well as the cost benefit. So they're in a very unique position now of being able to utilise their on-premise investments and infrastructure, as well as taking full advantage of the cloud. So if things get busy, if demand increases X number of %, they can cater for that now without a worry by going to Azure. Centrebet's global environment now has become more mature and able to take advantage of these technology offerings from Azure at a moment's notice. So they can support more clients on, for example, mobile devices, which is the biggest growth area that online gaming industry is seeing in recent times. So they can support these mobile clients very easily now without impacting their internal systems. Other companies should use Breeze because A, we care, but B, we also have the tried and tested technical knowledge as well as project experience. Breeze is a company that stays with you and with the client right from the initial architecture to designs well through past support. So we don't just set up a proof of concept and run, we actually stay with you right for the end.